I am going to be making a fruit water. So this is oxidized. My my apple has oxidized because I let it sit out without water for a little bit. But I wanted to show you that these, you should not throw them away. These are considered organic, and what I would do is peel the outside and then use the inside pulp, because the pulp is still good in this one. This one's not so bad, so I'm going to go ahead and toss those in. It's an orange that I've had in my refrigeration, which is cool for, I'm going to take the end off of that one out, which I've had for a few months in my refrigerator. I didn't want to toss them out. And then I added, on the bottom was an older apple, so don't throw your apples away. And so I have some pineapple, like that. And then I have some oranges, some limes, and some lemons. But I'm going to put that last, but I'm also going to put some, you can put the rinds in there. These are the peelings that I've used. What's neat, this little paring knife worked really well in peeling them. They were extremely sharp. And let's see. I'm going to go ahead and cut the ends of those. And sometimes you can put them with the rinds. You know, if it's organic, go ahead and put them in with the rinds. But and some rinds I do put them in. And I did this for a wedding one time, and the people thought it was punch, which it wasn't. And it was just fruit water, which is what we use, fruit water. Okay, and then I'll just kind of toss that in there. And toss that in. And then, I like adding some mint, so I'm going to go ahead and, you know what, I press these, like the mints. You just kind of press them like that. Okay, just press them like that, and then just kind of stick them in there. Oh, you can smell it. And so I'm going to go ahead and add my lemons. I did peel the lemons. My lemons weren't organic, or wasn't listed as organics, even though I've been told that they don't use the pesticide. There's some things that they put on, I don't know, I just don't trust, so I'll just go ahead and peel them just to be on the safe side. And like I said, some of the oranges were quite, and you add some strawberries or berries. Berries go really well with that. And this should last you for a good week. And then you just kind of pour your water in there. Like that. Okay, that should last you for a whole week. And then what I like to do, I think I have one like this, just go ahead and lightly press down so that those juices of the lemons, the limes, and other fruits, and I'll tell you, you have a delicious fruit water. And it has the mint in there, and I need to get a new picture. And just kind of enjoy. You can add blueberries, you can add strawberries, you can add, but this is going to be a little bit on the citrusy side, and I'm going to enjoy this.